Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 start menu lagging or slow to open. So to fix this issue, firstly you need to click on start, then type this PC. Now right click on this PC and click on properties. Now click on advanced system settings. In here you need to click on advanced and click settings. Now select custom and uncheck this first two option, animate controls and elements inside windows. So uncheck it, and animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. So uncheck it. Now click on apply, then OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully friends, using this quick method, this issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching.